Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Adobe Express to edit videos. First, open the Adobe Express application and navigate to the video editing section. You can then choose to start with a blank project or select one of the many available templates to kickstart your creative process. Next, easily upload your video clips from your computer or mobile device, bringing all your footage into the editor. This initial step sets the foundation for crafting your compelling video story. Once your clips are uploaded, you can begin refining your video with essential editing tools. Easily trim and split your video clips to achieve the perfect length, cutting out any unnecessary footage. Drag and drop clips on the timeline to rearrange them, ensuring your story flows exactly as you envision. You can also adjust the volume for each clip and add professional-sounding fade-in or fade-out effects to your audio, enhancing the overall viewer experience. To make your video truly stand out, Adobe Express offers powerful enhancement features. Apply a range of filters and adjust settings like color, brightness, and contrast to achieve your desired visual style. You can also add dynamic text overlays, fun animated stickers, and other graphic elements to convey messages or add personality. Furthermore, choose from a vast library of background music or upload your own audio to set the perfect mood and elevate your video's production quality. After perfecting your video, the final step is to export and share your creation. Always preview your entire edited video to catch any last-minute adjustments and ensure everything looks just right. Then, select your desired resolution, such as high definition for crisp visuals, and choose your preferred file format for export. Finally, you can effortlessly share your finished video directly to various social media platforms or download it to your device, ready to impress your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.